First day you water heavy. You want to make sure that that water is getting through that sod and getting down to the soil so that root system can start adhering to the soil. First couple of weeks you want to water at least 2 to 4 times a day depending on the weather. The hotter it is, the more you want to water. Again, you want to keep that sod nice and moist so the root system will adhere to the soil. So you wait about 3 to 4 weeks until you first mow it. You don't want to mow too short because that'll stress out the root system. But once you mow it, that's when you can back down your watering time to maybe 1 time a day, maybe 2 times a day, again, depending on the weather. Usually after about 30 days of that sod laying down, pretty much until you can't pull up on the sod and it come up, then you can back it down to normal watering time, which is about 3 times a week. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, feel free to give our office a call or shoot us an email or go to our website and get a hold of us that way.